Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone 16 has the right iOS and enough battery. This avoids interruptions. Next, select or create a live photo. Either capture one in camera with Live On or convert a short clip in Photos. Once done, open Settings and tap Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper so you can choose Live Photos. This immediately places you into the wallpaper picker, which is where you'll set motion and preview behavior before assigning it to lock screen. Now you'll refine how the live photo appears. Tap the live photo thumbnail and use pinch and drag to scale and position the subject. This lets you center faces or important details. Make sure to test perspective zoom, turn it on for parallax or off for static alignment. Preview live photo playback by pressing the preview area. If the motion timing is off, use Edit to trim or pick a new key photo. These adjustments control both composition and finish by tapping Done and choosing Set as Lock Screen or Set Both as needed. This commits the wallpaper. Then test it. Lock the phone and press and hold the lock screen to trigger the live photo motion so you verify playback and timing. If the motion fails, troubleshoot. Make sure low power mode is off, live photos are enabled in camera settings, haptics and press to play are allowed, and the file wasn't converted to a still. Reassign after fixes if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.